Hello everyone, good day to all. I welcome you all for today's online live classes. I am Pushpashri, faculty of Bhattanbar Tutorials. I'll be handling mathematics for Navodaya, Sainik as well as RMS School entrance exam. So well my dear students, in the last session we were discussing about the problems of time, speed and distance, and in today's session let us discuss some more problems of the same chapter. So well, let's continue the chapter. Let's continue the ninth problem. Look into the problem number 9. A ship covers 5,450 kilometer in 50 days. Full stop and continue. Find the per day speed of the ship. So this is your question. Look into the question. So what they are telling, there is a ship and that ship is going to cover 5,450 kilometers in 50 days. So within 50 days it will cover 5,450 kilometers, and you have to find per day how much the ship is going to cover, how much distance a ship is going to cover. So distance covered in 50 days, that is, we all know 5,450 kilometers. So then a distance covered in one day will be equal to 5,450 divided by 50 kilometer. So 50 kilometer in 50 days it's completing this much, no? So in one day we have to find 0 will get cancelled, 5 ones are 5, okay, 5 8s are 5 9s are 45. So 109 kilometer it will cover in a particular day. So therefore the speed of the ship in one day is equal to 109 kilometer. Make a note now. So fine, hope you all copied the 9th one. So now let me go with the 10th one. All of you have a look into the 10th question now. The 10th question is like this. Question number 10. In what time will a railway train 60 meter long moving at the rate of 36 kilometer per hour pass a telegram post on its way. So this is your question and the options are like this. 9s, that is 9 seconds. Option B 8s, that is 8 seconds. Option D 7s, 7 seconds. Option D 6s, 6 seconds. Look into the question. What is the time will railway train a 60 meter long moving at a rate of 36 kilometer per hour? So the train is 60 meter long and it's moving at 36 kilometer for 1 hour, and it has to pass a telegram post on its way. So when it's gonna pass the telegram post, what is the time at which time it's gonna pass the telegram post we have to find. So as we all know, use the formula of time. Time is equal to distance divided by speed. So what is the distance here it is? Here the distance is 60 divided by the speed is 36 into 18 by 5. Why 18 by 5? Kilometer per hour is there, and in your option there is a second. We have to convert kilometer to meter per second since there is a 60 meter, isn't it? So 18 by 5. 5 ones are 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 18 ones are 18 twos are 2 ones are 2 six are. So your answer is 6 seconds. Make a note. So fine, hope you all copied the 10th one. Let me go with 11th one. All of you have a look into the 11th question now. Question number 11. A train covers a distance of a train covers a distance of 3 kilometer in 2 minutes. 3 kilometer in 2 minutes, full stop. How much distance will it cover? Will it cover in 6 hours? In 6 hours. This is your question. A train is going to cover one distance of 3 kilometer. A train is running and it's going to cover 3 kilometer of distance just in 2 minutes. So how much distance does it cover in 6 hours? So in 3 kilometer has been covered in 2 minutes. Means in 6 hours, how much time will it take? I mean, how much kilometer will it cover? So we all know in 2 minutes it will cover 3 kilometer, and in 1 hour, let us calculate first. In 1 hour or in 60 minutes, 1 hour I can call it as 60 minutes also, isn't it? So it will cover, so 3 kilometer into 60 divided by 2. So because 3 kilometer can be covered in 2 minutes, 2 ones are, 2 threes are 0, 3 threes are 9. So it's going to cover 90 kilometer in 1 hour. Therefore, in 6 hours, which is equal to 90 into 6, which is equal to 540 kilometer. The train will cover 540 kilometer in 6 hours. Make a note. So fine, hope you all copied the 11th one. So now let me go with the 12th one. All of you have a look into the 12th question. Question number 12. If a cyclist covers a distance of 50 kilometer, in 5 hours, full stop, then his average speed is, so this is your question. Have a look into the question. A cyclist is going to cover a distance of 50 kilometers in 5 hours, and what is the average speed of him? We have to find. So formula, average speed is equal to total distance divided by total time. I am not writing, you have to write that. So 50 by 5 directly I am doing. So 5 ones are, 5 tens are. So therefore the answer is 10 kilometer per hour. Make a note. So fine, hope you all copied the 12th one. Let me go with the 13th one. All of you look into the question number 13 now. Question number 13. So look into it. A train starts at 10:50 a.m. from New Delhi at a speed of 80 kilometer per hour, 80 kilometer per hour, full stop. Then at what time will it cover? Then at what time will it cover the distance of, will it cover the distance of 120 kilometer. I can write it there. So 120 kilometer. This is a complicated question, important question. Listen to it. So there is a train. A train is going to start at 10:50 a.m. in the morning. It's going to start at New Delhi, and at the speed of 80 kilometers per hour it will be running. And at what time will it cover the distance of 120 kilometer? So the train has started today. Say for example, today it has started in the morning, that is 10:50 a.m. That is from the New Delhi, and it is going at the speed of 80 kilometer. In 1 hour it's reaching 80 kilometer, and we have to find what is the distance. So to complete 120 kilometer, how much time will it take? At what time you will reach your destination? So now we have to find the time. Time is equal to distance by speed. So what is the distance here? It is 120 kilometer. The speed is 80 kilometer per hour. So 0, 0 will get cancelled. So 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 15. So 3 by 2. So now 3 by 2, it can be, we have to convert into hours. 2 1s are 2. The remaining will be 1, 1 by 2. So this will be your 1 and this is your 2. Okay. So now 1.5 hours. So that is 1 hour 30 minutes. 1.5 hour is nothing but 1 hour 30 minutes. So what is the time they have given here? Actual time 10:50. Isn't it? It's going to start. You are going to catch the train at 10:50. After 1 hour 30 minutes. So after 1 hour 30 minutes, you will reach your destination, isn't it? This is your hour, this is your minute. So 1 hour 30 minutes. So that is nothing but, I'll not write AM anything here. So 10:50 to 1:30, for 10:50 if you add 1:30, so at 12:20 p.m. you will reach your destination. Okay, take down. Fine, hope you all copied the 13th one. So now let me go with the 15th one. All of you have a look into the 14th one question now. So question number 14. A man takes 3 days. A man takes 3 days. 3 days to walk 45 kilometer. To walk 45 kilometer, in how many days? In how many days will he walk? Will he walk 75 kilometer? 75 kilometer. So this is your solution. A man is going to take 3 days to walk for 45 kilometer, and you have to find, to reach 75 kilometer, how many days will he take? So days here it's nothing but how many days will he take. A per day walk, that is in 45 divided by 3. So let us find per day walk first. So 3 1s are, 3 1s are, 3 5s are. So per day he will walk 15 kilometer per day. Per day a man walks. That means he has to cover 75 kilometer. So therefore required number of days to walk. Required number of days to walk 75 kilometer is 75 divided by 15. 15 1s are, 15 5s are. So 5 days. In 5 days he will cover the distance of 75 kilometer. Make a note. So fine, hope you all copied the 14th one. Let me go with the 15th question. Have a look into the 15th question now, everyone. Question number 15. A car covers a distance of 816 kilometer. A distance of 816 kilometer in 12 hours. 12 hour comes full stop. What is the speed of the car? What is the speed of the car? This is your question. So see to the solution. There is a car. A car will cover the distance of 816 kilometer in 12 hours, and you have to find in what speed a car is moving. So to find the speed, we use the formula. Speed is equal to distance divided by the time taken. So the distance here, it's nothing but how many distance is that? 816, and the time taken, it's for 12 hours. So 12 ones are, 12 six are, and 12 eights are. So your answer is 68 kilometer per hour. Make a note.